Oh my goodness.
You know what I mean? Bro, who told you to get that?
Hey, what's up, man? You already know what
Hey,
time it is, man.
the TEMU Ninja.
Hey, TEMU Ninja, man, aka Bo, back with another video, man. Y'all know what time it is. Hey, look, this is crazy though. This right here, y'all with the bacon, bro. It has
Where's the bacon, bro?
chicken, beef,
I
pork,
don't,
and
I
bacon.
don't see the
The
bacon.
bacon is right here.
Oh,
Free.
that's different.
Hey, man, spam goat in the comment section, man. Spam goat.
Look at how serious he is.
How am I supposed to bite it?
Look at how serious.
Hey,
Oh, oh, bro, why was the juice coming out the other side, bro?
I didn't even see that. Oh,
Oh,
it has egg on it too, y'all.
it has eggs.
It has egg. It has
Oh,
an egg on it.
oh, that's
Oh my
different.
god.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Oh my god. The beef part, the beef is fried. It's fried.
no.
Yeah, oh, that's OC.
Wait,
Hold
wait,
on.
wait, wait. Put it. Oh, wait.
We be charging like 40 an hour, bro.
Hey, just because he's eating that, I'm about to pull out my tiki masala. Screw it. Screw it. Screw
Hey,
it.
bro, playing that.
Screw it.
Hey, y'all go follow her at Shelda_X, man.
Hey, I'm over it, bro. This is
CHELDA_X.
tiki masala. I'm over it.
Oh, my boy went Indian on him. Chill. We would have did it. We never did it.
Why is it dripping, bro? I'm sick of it, bro. I'm about to eat my tiki masala.
Mukbang. A little mukbang. Yeah, man. Y'all need one of those. Y'all, I know y'all was waiting for one of those.
Hey, I was from NBA. I'm a NBA. I'm a. Hey. Why is it tiki masala?
That's a fruit.
Does this say microwave safe? Microwave safe. Okay. I'm about to put this thing
All right,
in.
me and my boy be eating good.
All right.
Yeah. Hey. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Oh my goodness.
I'm feeling it right now, bro.
Wait a minute, man. Wait a minute. What's up, bro? That's not Hawaii stuff, bro. He
Yeah,
can
bro.
do that. What the heck? Freaking roosters and chickens out here.
Hey, man. Jesus is the best. It's your boy MoFresh. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Go follow the page.
I'm gonna subscribe. Yes, sir.
Go follow the page. We're gonna bring more content for you guys again.
For sure. For sure.
I got some more videos coming up. I'm gonna catch you on the flip one. I'm gonna holla.